Here's an eye-opening statistic. Organizations with innovative technology leaders are 2.8 times more likely to accelerate digital business outcomes. Yet, only 16% of technology leaders feel equipped to drive innovation in today's rapidly evolving landscape. Organizations are struggling to keep pace with technological disruption. Without innovative technology leadership, companies make costly technology investments that fail to deliver value, face growing technical debt, and lose market share to more agile competitors. Many organizations find themselves perpetually playing catch-up rather than leading technological innovation. Technology leaders feel overwhelmed by the pressure to innovate while maintaining stable operations. IT teams struggle with balancing innovation initiatives against daily operational demands. Technical professionals feel frustrated by traditional leadership approaches that stifle creativity and experimentation. This transformative program revolutionizes technology leadership. It combines cutting-edge innovation practices with practical technology leadership skills to create leaders who can drive digital transformation while inspiring their teams. You'll master essential skills in technology innovation leadership, including digital transformation strategies, agile leadership practices, and innovation management frameworks. The program features innovation workshops, leadership simulations, and practical tools for building and leading high-performing technology teams. Organizations led by program graduates report 50% faster technology adoption rates and 45% higher return on technology investments. They become recognized as technology pioneers, consistently leading their industries in digital innovation. Participants evolve into visionary technology leaders, often advancing to senior technology executive positions. Their teams show increased innovation capability and higher engagement. Individual contributors develop stronger technical leadership skills that accelerate their career growth. Don't let your organization fall behind in the technology race. Join the community of innovative technology leaders who are reshaping industries through digital transformation. Enroll now and become the technology innovation leader your organization needs in the digital age.